Good afternoon. Well, as we talked about last Thursday, movement is a major characteristic of animals. This movement is a result of a contraction of muscles and skeleton to help transmit that movement. Today, I'd like to discuss about muscle and bones and joints in more detail. As you can see in the illustration in chapter 4 in the textbook, under the skin, human bodies are covered with a lot of muscles. Under these muscles, we have bones of many sizes, and these bones are connected with joints, which are also several different types. Now, let's start with muscles. We can group muscles into two or three types. Can anyone name these three types? Yes. Yes, there are three main types of muscle in our body. One is skeletal muscle, the second type is smooth muscle, and the third is a specialized muscle tissue of the heart, called cardiac muscle. Very good, Betty. The first type of muscle is called by another name too. What is it and why? Anyone? Skeletal muscle is called the voluntary muscle, because we can socially control. I mean, we can move it when we want to. Excellent. Then how many skeletal muscle in human body? Let's see. About 300. But the number don't count. So counted say by exercise and stuff. And with that few, you are missing half of our body. Anyone else? It has about 600 skeletal muscle, I believe. Actually, there are approximately 650 muscle different sizes according to the zone. They do also contribute to popular behavior. The number of these muscles cannot increase through exercise. The muscle can get only bigger, not more numerous. Well, these skeletal muscles are attached either directly bones or indirectly, that is, via tendons. Okay, however, their movements, George, can you explain how they work? Certainly, they work in opposing pairs. One muscle pair contracts while the other relaxes. Yes, that's right. Control movement of the limb indeed relies on coordinated relaxation and contraction of opposing muscles. For example, to raise the forearm, the biceps, the two-rooted muscle contracts and shortens, while the triceps, the three-rooted muscle relaxes. And reverse occurs when the forearm is lowered. This internet coordination the body movements, walking, playing tennis, 3D, you name it. And of course, whole layer of facial expression too. Then you may guess by now what the name of the other two types of muscle is. Yes? The second and third types of muscle are both called involuntary, not under voluntary control. What that means is we can move at will. Smooth muscle, second type, internal body organs actions such forcing food to the intestine, contracting the wound to pumping blood to the blood vessels. Of course, cardiac muscle can't be voluntary either. Okay. Then let's move on to bones and joints. Bones. They form the body's hard, strong, and skeletal framework. Does anyone know what bones are chiefly composed of? Yes. Well, bones are composed chiefly of calcium, phosphorus, and the fiber substance known as collagen. Excellent. And bones needs several times. Can someone name some? The heavier second as are the finger and thigh and one range of movement. Single joint and simple joint that are weirdly there. Anyway, these are some examples. Precisely. As you can see in the diagram on page 178, the joints are held in place bands of tissue called ligaments. Movements of joints are facilitated by a smooth hyaline or glass-like cartilage that covers the bone ends and by the special membrane that lines and lubricates the joints. I'm pleased you prepare keeps at it. We've covered material quite thoroughly. That's all for today. Okay? I'll see you again Thursday. Oh, don't forget the reading assignment for next class, everyone.